Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest, quick guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Nest device and all its components. Locate the user manual for specific instructions related to your model. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is active and your smartphone is connected to it. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Set Up Device from the menu. Choose New Devices to begin the setup process. Select your home or create a new one if prompted. The app will search for nearby devices. Once your Nest device appears, tap on it to select it. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to connect to the device. Once connected, customize your device settings as needed. Proceed through any additional setup steps relevant to your device. After setup is complete, the app will confirm that your device is ready to use. Explore the features within the app to familiarize yourself with your new Nest device. That concludes the setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.